Good morning, boss.
Good morning.
What you got between there?
Oh my gosh, we're like packed to the brim, you guys.
I said we should bring the trailer.
We came out without the trailer.
And all this is...
And I have another problem. I like to buy plants.
This is all for our house too, guys, except for 2 plants, I think.
Yeah, the lavenders. And then I do think that I'll probably be able to unload some of the flowers on one of our clients. That's kind of why I got them, because she was asking for flowers. And then I like them too,
So we're going to go drop this all off, and then we're going to go out, and we have one mulch job to finish today, and then maybe start another one, depending on how far we get.
Yeah.
So no mowing till tomorrow, but we got
the weather
a ton
was
of rain anyway. So.
yucky this morning, and
Yes.
everything is soaked, so.
Yes. So we'll see you at the job.
Yeah.
So we're back here. It is windy.
Yes, it
I'm going to
is.
blow away, boss.
I know.
So
Our pruning's gonna blow away.
I'm gonna spade. Well, we can get all this done first before I gotta mess with the
Yeah.
corner. Maybe the wind will die down. So
The weeds are coming out pretty easy.
that's the only benefit of doing mulch with all the rain. So that's what we got done so far. We're gonna go get some more mulch. Look at that, it does look really good. And we're gonna work around this way. So far. So I gotta straighten this line out all the way down. See how it's crooked? Going straight. Okay, let's do an after walkthrough. All this was done. All this. The other day. We're gonna have to put some grass seed here, but we mow the lawn here, so all this was done. All of this. Not bad, not bad. All the way around here. And this. What do you got there, boss?
I've got a pole.
She stole the client's flagpole, guys.
I did not
She
steal
ripped it right out of the ground and took it.
I wanted it. No, I'm kidding. They didn't want it anymore, so.
We pulled it out of the ground, concrete and all.
Yeah.
She did. She like started ripping on it and yanked it right out.
Well, it looked like Carl was going to leave it there. And I'm like, they really wanted this flagpole removed. And I wanted to do it for them, so.
We're gonna mount it in our yard and put the Happy's family flag on
Yeah,
there.
I'm going to have the kids, like, draw a flag or something. And
We should put it right in the middle of the garden.
For real.
But so we finished that mulch job. That was a good easy one, right?
Yeah.
It prepares us for the one coming Saturday
Yeah.
and Monday.
So it was 8 yards, but it was, not too bad.
No, so we got it done. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Please like, comment, subscribe.
Yes.
And remember, guys, be happy.
Or at least try, even if you're holding a pole so it doesn't smash your window.
Have a good night, guys.
Have a good